It looks like it's dropping. Going away. Okay, I got one. That's a UFO right there. He's turning left and he's going way fast. He's taking off. Sorry, I'm barefoot. He just dropped down out of that cloud and came over and just took off. And there he is, right there. He's moving. Oh, there he is. He's turning right now. Where the heck did he go? He just disappeared completely. Oh, there he is behind that tree. I'm sorry, people. I'm a little shaky. I just woke up to take the dog outside and go to the bathroom. I found this thing. I was looking at the Pleiades. I'm freehanding this, so I'm sorry. Oh man, that was a trip. Okay, so he dropped out of that cloud right there and took off that way. To that, like out there, to the northeast. Because due east, I thought he was falling. It looked like it was just like Venus floating down from the cloud. That was awesome. See, there's Venus right there. That's like east, northeast. There's Venus. You got Mars right here, like south. Mars. I had a 10 times optical zoom clip-on lens that was able to make us, let us be able to see that. I just had a feeling like something was moving and I just caught it. Like, man, that was lucky. Because the skies are clear tonight. Even though there's some clouds out, they're really clear. Everything's beautiful. I don't know, you guys I can't see what I can. Anyway, I got a UFO this morning. It's 4 a.m. So, I hope this helps you all have a good day. Alright, that's it. Cut.